going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We got a good one today. As you saw in the title of the video and the thumbnail, we got a sick R8 twin turbo setup on the dyno. So we are gonna go, they're finishing up the dyno tune on it right now. It just got finished being built. So the owner, Brian Saxon, reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to come film it, and yeah, I'm not gonna turn that down. Obviously, I'm gonna go film it. So we are headed over there now. I'm gonna scoop up Brian, and then we are going to head over to the dyno. He also had a TTRS that you might have seen in some Slipstream videos. It was out there, it was nasty, and I'm pretty sure he sold it. I don't know 100%, but I'm pretty sure he sold it, and then he got the R8. It was all motor for a little bit, and then he threw the turbos on it. So we'll ask him about the car, and we'll check it out. I'm super excited. Let's go. We made it over here. APT. They do a lot of APR stuff, a lot of Volkswagens. If you like Volkswagens, there's a bunch here. A Corrado here, you don't see very many of them. Yeah, there's 3. So we're gonna head inside. Boom, we're in. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going? Stay out there.
Tom's upstairs, I think Ryan's down below.
Nice shop. And there's what we came for. I spotted something I'm used to. Pizza and LS intake manifolds. So then, being the professional sleuth that I am, I figured, what's got an LS in here? It's gotta be this Miata. This Miata stripped down. Everything's stripped on this car, but she's got an LS power plant in it. I like it.
Okay.
So here's an old gem. The W8. What a goofy setup, huh? Does anybody remember these? They were like in the, that one Passat. That's all I remember. Maybe the S8 at one point, I don't know. All right, guys, so we're about to get her going here. We were remotely working on her, and now we are putting in spark plugs. Spark plugs are a disaster on this car.
Yeah. So
Complete disaster.
I got all other ones.
Turbo kit is a Boost Logic turbo kit. GT35R turbos on it. Stock motor, stock trans. So I think target PSI is like maybe 7 pounds, I think we were saying. But we're gonna get her going soon.
Ready?
Yep. Cold start. Sounds better. I'm excited. I'm excited to hear this thing make some boost. It's gonna be wicked. It's gonna be wicked. Guys, before we get it going, do me a favor, comment down below how much you think this car is gonna make. Closest to the wheel horsepower, give the thumbs up. But comment down below what you think it's gonna make. It's gonna be on 7 pounds, stock motor. It's just on wastegate. 7 pounds, it's still gonna make some jam, I can guarantee you that. So comment down below. 817 to the tires and 565 torque. That's 7 pounds, guys. You can imagine, you keep turning this thing up, it's gonna be a beast. Stock motor, I know a lot of guys do more, but I think Brian wants to keep it a little. All right, guys, that's gonna end it for that video. That was awesome. Thank you, Brian, for allowing me to come and film that. We were gonna go for a ride, but we weren't able to get it completely finished. He still had to put it back together and come back the next day. But Unitronic tuned that car, so shout out to Unitronic. Shout out to Brian for allowing me to be there, and shout out to AP Tuning for allowing me to also film there as well. Super awesome day. I can't wait to see. He's gonna give us a ride in that car eventually, and I will obviously film it, so we'll be there for that. Hit that like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, especially if you're local to Lehigh Valley. Hit the like button because I am always coming out, and you'll see me out and about. So yeah, just catch you guys next time. Later.